20 times a positive integer is less than its square by 96. What is the integer? So let's say that positive integer is x, and according to question, 20 times the positive integer, which is x, is 96 less than its square. So that means x square. All right, so we have an equation over here. So let's take this 20x on the right hand side. So we get x square minus this 20x and minus 96 is equals to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. All we have to do is solve this quadratic equation, get the value of x. So now here we have minus 96 into 1, minus 96, and we have to split this minus 96 into such values whose sum will be minus 20 and whose product will be minus 96. All right, so if you're good with tables, you can see here that 12 into 8 is 96. All right, so let's try with 12 and 8. All right, now here if I say minus 12 and minus 8, all right, minus 12 minus 8 will give me minus 20, but the product here will be positive 96 because minus minus plus. So that means 12 and 8 is not possible. Okay, so 12 and 8 is not possible. But what if we multiply this by 2 and divide this by 2? So we get 24 and 4. Let's try 24 and 4. So yes, 24 into 4 will give me 96. So what we'll do is we need minus 20. So let's say minus 24 and plus 4. So minus 24 plus 4 will give me minus 20, and minus into plus will give me minus. So that means we have got our two values, which are minus 24 and plus 4. Now if you are still finding it difficult to split this value, what else you can do here is write 96 like this and divide this 96 with the least possible value. So here we can divide this by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are. Now try and find out two such values whose product will be 96. All right, so here we can say that 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 12 and 8, but we have already checked those values. 12 and 8 is not possible here. So again 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay, and this 4. So that is what we have got here, 24 minus 24 and plus 4. So this is also another way to find out the finding out the roots. All right, so splitting the values. Now if you are good with quadratic equation, you can simply tell that by reversing the signs you will get the roots here. So minus 24 I'll write 24, plus 4 I'll write minus 4. So this is our roots, but for the sake of solution I'll solve it normally. Let's write minus 20x as minus 24x plus 4x minus 96 is equals to 0. Let's take x common. X minus 24 plus 4, x minus 24 is equals to 0. X plus 4, we get x plus 4, x minus 24 is equals to 0. So we get our answer as minus 4 and plus 24. Since we are talking about positive integer, we cannot take minus 4 as our answer. So this plus 24 is our required answer. So here option A is the correct one.